Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. Today's model comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Let's come around to the back of the vehicle, and we have our Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. Coming around to our rear seats here. Quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And we have heated seats, both driver and passenger, as well as memory seats here on the driver's side. Power seat controls there, door controls, driver's seat with lumbar support, steering wheel. And go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. And mileage currently at 3,352. We have a push button ignition. So here we have our touchscreen display. Of course, you can make all your selections right here with the display. You can also control with the command module down here. And then just push down to actually select. And backup camera. Below the display we have our climate controls. Cup holder. Center console storage. And the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this 2022 GLC 300, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.